Hello and welcome to Marketing 210. My name is Dr. Kani Bassey, and I will be guiding you through the next 8 weeks. So, what is marketing? Today we are setting foundation for the course. Our focus is simple. Marketing creates value for customers and captures value for the firm through creating, communicating, delivering, and exchanging. By the end of the session, you will be able to explain each activity and see how they work together in real situations. Defining marketing. This section introduces a modern view of marketing. We move from a list of parts to a system of actions that deliver value. Keep value at the center as we go. So, what is marketing? Marketing is a set of activities that create, communicate, deliver, and exchange offerings that provide value. Think of these as continuous actions, not one time decisions. The classic mix still matters, yet our work is to design and manage the entire value system so customers choose us and stay with us. Why the 4 Ps are not enough? Product, price, place, and promotion are useful labels, but they do not all describe all the work. So exchange involves ownership, transfer, payment methods, and service terms. Even products can include services and experiences, and the modern approach focuses on actions that create value through the journey. So the value sits at the center of marketing. It is defined by the customer and not the company. Our task is to understand what customers value and design the systems to deliver it. The value and the personal value equation. So value equals benefits received minus price and hassle. Hassle is the time and effort a customer spends to find, buy, learn, and use. 2 people can buy the same item and feel different levels of value because benefits and hassles feel different to each person. Our goal is a positive equation for the customer and a profitable exchange for the company. Marketing orientation and eras. So businesses have competed through different orientations. Production focuses on lower costs, selling focuses on pushing products, products focus on innovation, and the marketing era focused on customer needs. Today, many firms emphasize value and one-to-one relationships. Service-dominant logic reminds us that the value can come from products, service, and both together. When we're looking at creating offering, we're looking at moving from conception to creation. An offering is more than a product. It is the full bundle of product, service, and price that delivers value. So customers choose among complete offerings, not just isolated features. Creation is cross-functional. Engineering designs the features. Finance models cost and price options. Operations plans how to make it. Logistics plan how to move it. And the partner shapes service and warranty. So marketing leads by keeping the voice of the customer at the center and aligning the bundle to real needs. So now we're going to look at the value, how the value reaches your customer. Communication explains and listens. Delivery ensures the experience works. And exchange closes the loop and sets up the next interaction. So communication is two-way dialogue. We educate customers about value, and we also learn from their feedback. Channels include advertising, public relations, events, digital, and community engagement. And strong marketers design messages that are clear, timely, and relevant, and they're listening for signals that guide the next action. The delivery means more than shipping a box. It is the full experience that helps customers get the most from their offerings. So supply chain partners, your storage, transportation, and retail all affect value. Clear instructions, onboarding, and responsive support reduces hassle and raises perceived value. Exchange is the moment of transaction and the beginning of the next relationship cycle. Payment can be cash, it can be points, it can be credit, or trade-in. After purchases, training certification, resale, and recycling programs add value and reduce hassles. Every touch point during exchange should feel simple and respectful. Everyone who helps create and deliver value participates in marketing. That includes people in products, service, operations, finance, and more. The customer doesn't see the departments, the customer sees an experience. In business to consumer markets, firms sell to end users. In business to business markets, firms sell to organizations and agencies. Manufacturers, wholesalers, and retailers all use marketing to plan, promote, and serve. Ongoing dialogue with customers guides product choices, pricing, and placement. Nonprofits, government, and social marketing. Nonprofits market to advance a mission, not to drive profit, yet they still create, communicate, deliver, and exchange value. Government entities market ideas and programs such as recruiting or public health. Social marketing aims to influence behaviors that benefit society. Success is measured by progress toward the mission and positive change. So as far as individuals go, individuals market themselves as well. Your resume communicates value, an interview is an exchange. On the job, delivering results and building trust creates long-term relationships and opportunities. So why study marketing? Well, marketing links a firm to its customers and communities. It helps people find solutions that fit their needs. It supports growth in organizations and improves choices for consumers. Understanding marketing makes you more effective in any role. Marketing delivers value. Marketing educates, guides choice, and supports fair exchange. When the value equation is positive for the customer and profitable for the firm, both sides win. This is how strong brands build reliable customer bases and healthy revenue. The benefits and costs. Marketing can be a major investment. It can also create jobs and improves quality of life by increasing useful choices and information. The question is not how much it costs. The question is what value it delivers. We measure that through clear objectives and return on investment. Careers in marketing. Career path includes research, merchandise, sales, advertising, media, product development, direct marketing, digital media, events, nonprofit work, even now marketing with AI. Many chief executives come from marketing because marketing balances customer value with business results. Skills that matter include curiosity, communication, analysis, creativity, and respect for the customer. So criticisms and responses. So some common concerns include high costs and the claim that marketing creates wants that are not needed. Responsible marketers answer with evidence of value, precise targeting, and a focus on real problems customers want to solve. The standard is simple: do the work honestly, reduce hassle, and deliver results. So the themes and strategy. The final selection connects marketing to strategy and the environment. Your plan must begin with customers, align with the mission, and adapt to change. Everything starts with the customers. Great offerings begin with a clear problem to solve for real people. Companies that meet evolving needs keep their position. Companies that do not lose it. Strong mission statements inspire teams to improve lives, communities, and society through the value they deliver. A marketing plan flows from the mission to corporate strategy. Planners seek to understand wants and needs, how customers acquire, use, and dispose, and what drives the value equation. They design offerings by pricing, build the delivery system, and create the communication plan. Then they refine based on the feedback, competitive moves, and market shifts. Ethics and social responsibility. Now we're talking about the changing environment. They set the baseline. Sustainability protects resources for the future. Service dominant logic keeps value at the center. Metrics and data improve decisions. A global environment affects supply, policy, and competition, so even local firms must think broadly. And with our key points and prompts, we bring the ideas together. We're using these prompts to check your understanding and prepare for discussion. Key points. Modern marketing centers on value through creating, communicating, delivering, and exchanging. Value is personal, shaped by beliefs, price, and hassle. All types of organizations and individuals can apply these ideas. A strong plan aligns with mission and adapts as conditions change. So ask yourself, which organization and roles engage in marketing activities in your world? How do nonprofits and social marketing differ in goals and measures? How does marketing create value for customers and firms? How would you measure the return on a marketing investment? And what actions would you take next based on what you learned this week? Thank you very much.